In this lecture, I will explain how to save workbook in Excel. Okay, guys, we can save workbook in Excel different ways. Okay, so the first way is using this file tab. Okay, click on this file tab. See here we have option called save. Okay, if you are save this workbook as a first time, automatically this selection is selected save as option. See, if I click this save button, see, automatically it will select save as. It means we will choose our location where to save this Excel file. We can choose that location first, so that's why it will automatically navigate at this save as button. At right side we have different types of options. One is recent option. It indicates it will show recently opened folders in our local system. See, right side, these are the recently opened folders. Okay, so all the recently opened folders are shown at right side. Another option is OneDrive. If you want to save your Excel files into cloud location, it means OneDrive, we can choose this option. Another option is this PC. If you click on this PC option, whatever folders have in your local system, all the folders are displayed at right side. Or we can choose this option browse. Okay, see, all the folders locations are displayed in this dialog box. Let's suppose I will save this book 1 into my desktop. Okay, so just give any name, demo. Okay, then click on save. Okay, if you want to change your Excel file format, we can choose this save as a type option. It will give different types of Excel formats. Okay, so these things also I will explain separately whenever I have covered at VBA. Okay, so right now we can choose by default as Excel workbook type. Click on save button. This Excel file is saved in our local system desktop. See, title is also get updated. Okay, this is one way to save workbook in Excel. Second way is using quick access toolbar. Click on this quick access toolbar drop down. It will give different types of commands. If you select this save option, see, this save icon get displayed here. Just click on this save, automatically this workbook gets saved in previous selected location. Okay, now third way is using shortcut key. Control S as a shortcut key. If you press Control S, this workbook is saved in previous selected location. Okay, now I will explain save as option. See, save as option. If you want to change your file location, one location to another location, we are using this save as option. Not only file location, we can choose another Excel file format also. We can choose this save as option. Okay, click on browse. Previously we have selected desktop, right? Now I will change this file location to D drive. Select the D drive, click on save. Now my Excel file in my local C drive, D drive, sorry, go to D drive. See, demo Excel file gets saved in my local D drive. Okay, so like this we can save workbook in Excel. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.